Ideal for independent drivers with limited movement in the legs and feet. Our column-mounted hand controls allow for easy and controlled electronic acceleration while braking remains manual. The controls are fitted for your right hand behind the steering wheel, offering a fatigue-free improvement to a mechanical pull accelerator. The controls are simple to operate by starting the engine, pushing the green button and pressing the brake until the beep notifies you that the electronic trigger is active. You can return control to the accelerator pedal by pushing the green button again. This intuitive design allows for light and responsive control of the throttle. It is ideal for those driving regularly, especially for work or over long distances. Electronic hand controls are best paired with a steering aid, such as a quick detached steering ball or even a remote control, to give you easy access to various other vehicle functions, such as indicators, wipers and lights. For more information about electronic hand controls, driving aids and other vehicle adaptations, speak to one of our experts by web chat, online inquiry or by phone. Vehicle adaptations, enabling independence. Mobility in motion.